guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Teemo review and haul. I just got this in the mail, so I'll do a quick unboxing and then I'll be showing you all the things I've been picking up lately. I hate the fact that they changed their iconic orange packaging and now they just have the tape, but I have so many good things in today's video. I'll have everything that I can find linked down below. If you're new here, I do a ton of Teemo content, a ton of reviews, very honest reviews. I do have like an affiliate code with them, but as always, all my reviews are honest, 100% the truth. If I like a product, if it's worth it, even if it was like 5 cents. So excited to get into it. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't already, and subscribe for more Temu videos, and let's go ahead and jump into it. Now that I know the gender of my baby and that it's a boy, I've been ordering a ton of these kite baby bamboo style onesies off of Temu. I think the most expensive ones that I've found are either $9 to $10, but usually they're like $7. And y'all, the quality is actually unreal. I got this light blue one. Oh, this one has no mittens, but it has the footies that you can fold up. Yep, the double zipper. I have so many expensive brands of bamboo onesies, and I can attest to the fact that Temu has really good options. I love buying these fun clips from Temu, so I got another evil eye one. I thought this one was pretty unique. It's a little stiff though, I'll say that, but it's really cute. I love finding cute clips. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Okay, it's a baby brush. My daughter's name is Olivia, so I thought this was adorable. I wanted to get all my friends some with their babies' names because they're pregnant. Y'all, I think I paid maybe $7 for this stairs basket. It might not be the cutest or like the sturdiest stair basket of all, but it was only $7, and I've had this for quite a bit. I think almost like a month or month and a half, maybe longer. And when I tell you, I use this every dang day to put things on the stairs that belong in my daughter's room, and then at the end of the day I just bring it up, unload it, and do it all again the next day. You need this because Amazon sells nicer ones for like 50 bucks. I'm not even kidding. This was $7 and it's just as useful. This would be so cute for little bachelorette boxes. These are some, I would say they look like the Chanel logo, but they are honestly just 2 C's together. You can buy 2 or a 4-pack. These feel pretty good. I mean, they're not anything crazy. So when I saw these Princess Party Favor boxes, I had to pick it up. I don't know if Olivia will be doing a princess birthday anytime soon, but I had to have them. They were $4 and you get 8, I believe. Almost every Disney princess. This is Aurora, Snow White, Cinderella, I think. Please go get these. They are the cutest thing ever. I don't buy a ton of clothes from Temu, but when I saw this, I ran and added it to cart and checked out because something about this screams like designer to me, and I paid $14 for this. How adorable is this cardigan? I love the color combo. I think this is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it before I wear it, but I'm pretty happy with it. Keep buying Olivia pajama sets from Temu because they're only like $7 to $10 and they are so darn cute. They're so stretchy and they're not too warm, which works great for the Houston weather. So I picked this up in a size 2 to 3. Another baby pajama onesie. This one doesn't feel as soft. It actually feels more stiff and like that other pajama material, so I might return, but I thought the print on this one was really cute. This one does have the fold up mittens and footies, and it has a double zipper, but I don't know, this material just feels odd. It's definitely not bamboo, so kind of a fail. This store has the best bamboo onesies. These actually feel kind of like Kite Baby, for example. So I got this one with the planets, UFOs, and things like that. Once again, the fold up mittens, footies, and the double zipper. But this quality is what actually reminds me of Kite Baby. Honestly, I would skip the checkered smiley print one. Not good. Look at this Rapunzel kind of costume. Kind of precious. I feel like the detail is very intricate for a dress that was under $10. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love this. She loves Pascal and the Tangled music, so I think she's going to freak out over this. Okay, now let's jump into my rapid fire reviews and I'll give you all my thoughts at the end. We have a few good jewelry finds and then a fail. This is a fail. I don't know if y'all can tell from this lighting, but the gold in this bracelet is horrid. Like, I'm not even gonna open it. I don't even think I need to, so y'all can see how bad it is. It was pretty cheap, but the quality reflects it. This watch is incredible. I am so sad because it does not fit my tiny wrist and it is not adjustable, but the quality is unreal. It comes all wrapped up in plastic. It feels so much more expensive. I'm trying to see what the bottom says. Oh, it says Grade B. I was like, there's no way this says Cartier. It's not adjustable, so I'm not able to wear it, which makes me so sad because it's so cute. So if you have thicker wrists than me, please go get this because the quality is great. And the other two are these bracelets. I have the embroidered one in a different color, but I had to get the blue. It's so cute. And then this tennis bracelet, adorable, and the quality is so good. I don't know why it won't focus. You can kind of see it better there. It's so shiny, it's so pretty, it fits really well. It's pretty unique and it's not brassy. I will continue to wear it and let you know if it tarnishes at all, but I'm so happy with the quality. I've been loving buying underwear from Temu. It's literally about to replace my entire collection. They're so affordable and they're so nice. These are a little different from what I've tried. They have the thin band on each side and they're seamless. I'm gonna wash these, I always do, before trying them on, and I will update you in a Teemo favorites. Look at this cutie honey jar with the little glass bees on it. It's all glass, including the little honey spoon. I think this was a steal at $10. Such nice quality. It's gonna look so cute in the kitchen. This I have yet to try because I haven't been doing much cooking, but it's supposed to be a peeler that collects all the peel inside. That way you can just throw it away instead of, you know, have peel all over your counter. Next time I try it, I'll film myself and I'll let you guys know if it was worth it. They're almost 20 bucks on Amazon, and on Teemo they're 7. Olivia already has them and has had them in beige. So I picked up the pink and I already ordered the purple because she loves wearing these. They look very comfy. I have forgotten that I also picked these up in purple. Olivia wears these every day. She was literally wearing them earlier today. They're so comfy. I have like the adult version and I can attest to the comfiness. She loves wearing them. She is in a size 6.5 right now. I would say they run a little big because in other shoes she's almost an 8. So hopefully that helps you figure out the sizing, but they have both unisex, girly, and more like boy colors, I guess, but so cheap. I used to buy these off Amazon all the time, especially for my dad. They are great for sketching and they all have different thicknesses for the pen. They're great for, you know, writing notes, like I said, sketching, drawing, whatever. Even if you paint and you want to run it like as an outline, 10 out of 10. And on Teemo they are so cheap and I can attest that the quality is just as good. Some baby essentials. I got this for my cousin for her keys. This is a car seat buckle. She has pretty long nails, so I thought this was useful. It came in a 2-pack. I'm giving the other one to my best friend. Then this is part of like a little basket I'm making for my cousin. It's just like a little spatula to put diaper rash cream. I thought this was useful and super affordable. I love getting these little forks for Olivia, especially now for school lunches and such, but she really likes these mini inspired ones. They have like the ears, the bows, whatever. But these Halloween ones, y'all, are so sharp. I pricked my finger on it. They're very cool. Definitely more adult friendly. I told y'all in a recent Teemo video that we love finding home improvement items of Teemo. This is going to be for my husband to be able to put the hardware holes in our pantry cabinets and just to have. It was about $8 and we still haven't quite figured out how to use it, but I'm sure he will. I just thought this would come in handy. Just instead of having to measure ourselves, we can just set it to the length of our cabinet handles and then go from there. And this I thought was cool because we're doing some painting. It's just to keep the paintbrushes from dripping and from going into the baseboard. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. My weakness is these fun party plates, and Teemo has them for so cheap. I couldn't resist, so I picked these up, just saved them for baby boy, and we can do either fast one for his first birthday or 2 fast for his second. And I also got these cupcake toppers that are kind of DIY, but I don't mind. They're really cute. These are the other 2 colors that I got. So inexpensive. I think they were $2 each. I had to get more plates just because these sell out so quick, and I felt so bad last time that I showed you all some Halloween ones and they were immediately discontinued. So got these. I'm planning on eventually doing animal or like wild party theme. Then I am dead over these Christmas ones. I got the reindeer, got the little snow globe. How cute is that? I can't. And these I'm actually gonna use for Christmas this year. The little gingerbread houses, they're huge. So I got 3 packs just in case. And lastly, for fun plates, I also want to do a fairy theme, either for my sprinkle or for Olivia's birthday one day. So I got these fairy plates, and I also got these little fairy toothpicks that are always cute to put on top of cupcakes. I think her 3rd birthday, which is literally a year away, will be mermaid ocean themed. So I found these and I had to grab them. I just couldn't resist. This was such an impulse buy, but I thought this was so sweet. It's a little music box in the shape of a carousel. It also comes in blue. So freaking cute. And you just spin it yourself and it goes on for a while. I obviously got this before I knew that I was having a boy, but it's okay because one of the coaches where I work out is having a girl, so I'm gonna give it to her. But y'all, so darn soft. This is 3 to 6, and I do feel like this runs a little bigger. It has all the same things that Kai Baby has. Teemo is great for scrapbooking and crafting supplies, so I picked up a few of these frames that I thought would be cute for... I do a time capsule for Olivia every year on her birthday. We have 2 time capsules now, so I thought I could take everyone's Polaroids and put them in these frames. Some random nail things. I got these evil eye stickers, but unfortunately, as you can see, they are a little big, so I'm not gonna keep. And then these nails were a little more expensive than I'm used to for Temu, but they're apparently handmade. They were like $5 to $7 depending on the design. They have different sizes. Unfortunately, these are too small for my nails right now. I got the size small, so I think I need to size up for a medium, but the quality is really, really great. I completely forgot I had bought this from Temu until I found it the other day. I'm like, why did I even buy this? Such a fail. It doesn't fit most pots. I think for something like this, it would be nice for it to be adjustable or kind of like silicone where you can stretch it out. This unfortunately was a fail. I need to find a way to return it. Even if like it does fit in the pot, when it comes time to pour it, it almost falls every single time, and we lose pasta every single time. So fail for sure. I say that this is kind of a fail. It's like a little potty training toilet, but it is pretty small and borderline uncomfortable. There's also no like real spot to take out like a baggie or something, so she would just have to like go into the potty right there. And it has this weird lid that doesn't really work for much. It doesn't fit it right. I don't know, I just wish I would have skipped this. I can't even return it. But yeah, no, Amazon has way better options and not that much cheaper. This was like $15, I think. Amazon has like great potties for like 20 bucks. So that's it for today's Temu video. I've been shopping on Temu since April for 5 months, let's say, and y'all, it has changed my life, as dramatic as that sounds. As a former Amazon addict, y'all, I go to Temu first now. If they have it on Temu, I wait the week and a half that it takes to get to me rather than going on Amazon, because most of the time the prices are half or more cheaper on Temu than on Amazon, and they are pretty much identical. Sometimes the quality is a fail. Sometimes things are cheaper than I envisioned, especially jewelry. But the good thing is that if I don't like it, I can return it all in one package. Even if it's from 10 different orders, I put it all in one box for UPS or USPS, and I get refunded like within 2 weeks. So I've been loving shopping on Temu. I wanted to say a huge thank you to y'all for introducing me to it, and I know y'all are liking the Temu videos, but let me know if there's anything specific you want to try. I love doing gift guides during the holidays to help y'all out, so I'm definitely going to be doing Temu gift guides this year, which I'm so excited about. Do not worry, Amazon gift guides are still gonna be here to stay, but let me know if there's anything specific you want me to try or to shop for or to recommend, and I'll definitely try it out for y'all. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.